Tired of background noise messing up your calls? Let me show you how to fix it, Nissan, real quick. Step 1. Open your phone app and make a call. Voice isolation only works during the call. Step 2. Swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center. Step 3. Tap mic mode or phone controls at the top of your screen. Step 4. Tap voice isolation. It filters out the noise and keeps your voice front and center. And that's it. Your calls will sound cleaner, clearer, and way more professional. Wait, don't just leave. Like, share, and subscribe to Dusty Seconds Tips and Tricks. You know we keep it simple and smart. Credits: voiceover by Dusty Seconds Tips and Tricks.